In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to find the Warden in Minecraft. Now, first step is you want to make a creative world or go into here and allow commands on. And then what you want to do is just quickly, let me go into creative. You want to type /locate space structure space Minecraft : ancient city, ancient_city, press enter, and then press T again and click on the coordinates, press enter again, and as you can see now I will be teleported to the nearest location. And from in here you either have to dig up or down, and as you know the ancient city is far down, so let's just quickly do that. Now once you reach down to the bottom, you'll see I'll be at the ancient city. So that's how you can teleport around. And then to find the Warden, what you want to do is just simply make some noise on these things. So as soon as you touch these, you'll see these are going to light up, and these are going to signal to the Warden that there's someone down here. So just run around for some time, go and click on these, touch these, go open some chests if you can find them, like this, open them, and just run around on here. Then he will come up off the ground after a few minutes, and then you can fight him. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.